Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about 450 miles away from home, out in Ohio. Come out to see one of the guys that's been commenting on my channel and became friends with him. One of the first people started commenting on some of my videos here. His name is Craig. A little excavator here. I'll show you what I brought him, but I'm bringing this back as a core. So we just split them up and getting ready to pull the front end off of here. And it's blocked up, so I'll get them chained up. I'll bring it right back for that. So now hopefully this, well, it should just come right out of there. See what happens. Back up a little bit. I better put this record down and actually help. So here is the 450 engine that I got him. Even has the hydraulic pump on it. Look at that. That's a come up. And here is the C engine. CB, whatever you want it. Whatever you want it to be. It can be either one, I guess. Get out of the way. Alright, so this is what I came down to get. It's 301, naturally aspirated out of an F2. This guy here is Boehm Farms. There's a GoPro sitting right there. He's got a YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link down in the description below. He's actually got a video of tearing this engine out of that combine there for me. So if you guys like to know where it came from and everything, and see what we're going to do with it, check his channel out, Boehm Farms. Like I said, description will be below. Yeah. Oh, you're fine. Oh, I got it on camera, so. All right, so this is my load that I'm taking back. A couple of D17 fenders in there. Things. Right here we got 2 slab weights, manifold, good muffler. This is the core for that engine. There's Craig over here. You guys have probably seen him on the channel, commenting on the channel, I should say. This thing doesn't want to work for me, but came down. We'll shake hands on camera. Thank you, sir. It's nice meeting you. I have to do it again. That's for sure. Hopefully you're not the first person or the last person that I meet up with the QB. What was his name down there? Jacob Boehm. All right. Make sure you guys check his channel out too. There'll be a link in the description below. Kind of see what we did, or I'm curious to see how he got it out of there. He said it was interesting.
Boehm Farms.
Boehm Farms. Yep. I'll be subscribing. So, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I got some footage of driving down here, a bunch of accidents basically, that I'll just kind of flow some of them here at the end, and I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Catch you on the next one.
7 now?
Yeah, I wish I'd been recording this whole time, but there's truck number 7 in the ditch. At least 7. Here's truck number 8 in the ditch. It's been a pretty interesting ride so far. See how many more I get. We still got like
6 hours ago.
How far do we got? I don't know, we got 290 miles. And it's we're in where it snows, so let's see how far we make it. How many we see? Sorry. Almost not. Number 3 caught on camera. Be surprised if we've gone 5 miles.
Number 9, number 1
That one's not too bad. As I showed it off, here's another one. Oh, hey. Well, interesting. So I can pretty much see the other semis that I just recorded behind us. Oh wow, oh wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look at this.
Holy shit.
Wow, look at that one. There's one over there,
They must
another one
all
over
swim
there.
out together.
Wow, just a bad spot they found. Yeah. How many was that?
Sad.
Like 5 or 6? It was so cold last night, people just don't realize salt is only good for a certain temperature. And when it's that cold and snowing, people want to drive like it's just snow. It doesn't work out. Hopefully nobody got hurt and they all learned some lessons because of it, I guess. I guess we're doing cars now too. But
Oh, and another one.
oh, there's another one.
That one didn't go in too far.
He didn't go in too far. Nope. Car over there.
Oh, the little bug.
A little bug down
Oh,
the ditch.
Cooper.
Oh, it was a Mini Cooper.
Yeah.
Oops.
I'm sure we'll see like 20 more.
This has all been probably, I don't know, maybe we've gone 15 miles. We are doing like 70. Maybe we've gone like 15 miles since I started recording this. So.
Still.
And as we're through the belt, they got all the snow. We're driving right through it, basically across. Yeah, we're going. We're headed west or eastbound
It's Indiana.
towards Indiana, basically coming across Indiana, into Ohio, blah blah blah. But we're driving right along this whole little snow belt that got hit last night, and it was cold. I don't know exactly down here, but it was close to 0 degrees snow. So that makes it interesting. Another one. Oh, we have tandem. That's probably fun. Another
And all these rescue workers are booming.
There's people all over the place. Yeah, trucking companies are making money, that's for sure. These are the days that they hope
Who's in
for.
money too?
Unfortunately. Oh, look at that.
Jeez. There's another one.
Another tandem.
Yeah, yellow.
Another one down here in the ditch.
Looks like it just pristinely parked.
Well, you know, in the way that they're facing, did they come from this way or just get turned around that bad? Well, the way this is going, I'm going to have a whole video of just semis and cars in the ditch. Looks like this guy just got pulled out. Yep. There they are, pulling in.
She's getting
Reynolds, I've never heard of those. Maggio is usually the ones. Let's see. We are like a little over 100 miles from home, aren't we?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, there's another one. Another one down there.
Another one, which way were they coming from?
Yeah. Well, that one had to have got turned around because I didn't see him break in the fence. And another one. We still haven't gone very far. If it keeps going like this, I'm not going to be able to get them all. I just have to start counting and tell you the number when we get there.
3, 4 of them. There we go. load is still on his truck.
Yeah, they still got it.
Look at that shit.
I've done a lot of traveling. I've got millions of windshield hours through like North Dakota and Minnesota, you know, up through the northern states. I've never seen it this bad. Never. I've seen cars in the ditch this bad during an ice storm coming through, well, we just came into Minnesota, and the snow cleared up. We were ahead of the snowstorm then. It was traveling east. And then, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 miles into Minnesota, then it started ice sheet. We were coming from North Dakota, so we weren't going to stop. But we made it all the way through, but my buddy counted something like 40 cars in the ditch.
Never semis like this.
Yeah, but never semis like this. I had to have been a combination of the wind and the ice. How open it is out here. Imagine. We had a north to south wind last night as well, so it's going, you know, straight across this road. Imagine that they just catch a wind gust and around goes the trailer.
Looks like some of them just stopped for the night too.
Yeah, some of them just decided it was no good.
Yeah, like that one just pulled off.
Yeah. No, I don't want to be one of the idiots of the ditch. Here we are, another one. We got this guy come flying around us, and then realize that the road looks like that over there, and then hit the brakes when you're in that stuff to cut in front of us. So I don't know why there's so many cars and stuff in the ditch. In the past 10 years, it seems like people have lost common sense. So,
We're fucked come this generation.
too bad. One over on that side. One getting pulled out here. They are busy all over the